First, wipe the workbench clean. Clean the surface of the blade to be ground. Once the blade is cleaned, place it on the workbench. Place the blade on the workbench. Adjust while the bolts at the bottom of the magnetic chuck. Extend both ends of the blade equally beyond the magnetic chuck, normally 2 mm. If the bolts under the magnetic chuck cannot be adjusted far enough, add appropriate shim blocks. Then adjust the left and right position. Without shim blocks, you may use big nuts or wood blocks. Once the blade height is set, turn off the emergency stop. Then turn on the magnetic chuck switch. Press the travel start button, then move the surface grinding wheel directly above the blade and stop the machine. Turn the chuck hand wheel to adjust the grinding angle as needed. Adjust the workbench angle. After the chuck angle is adjusted, use the rapid lift button to lower the grinding head wheel quickly. Stop when the grinding wheel approaches the blade. Turn on the water pump. Start the grinding wheel motor. Press the travel start button to start moving. First, turn the manual lowering hand wheel. Lower the grinding wheel to make gentle contact with the blade. Ensure the grinding marks fully match the blade angle. If the grinding marks do not match the bevel of the blade, if grinding the rear edge of the blade, raise the workbench. If grinding the front edge of the blade, lower the workbench. When the grinding marks of the wheel are fully consistent with those on the blade, shift the automatic feed lever into position, then the machine will perform automatic grinding.